Hey everyone, welcome back to Mockup. Come on friends, today I am back with a new interesting video tutorial. Earlier we all saw how to make a mockup on a picture. Today I will show how to make a mockup on a video very easily. So if you want make your portfolio stand out and impress your clients, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. At first, simply drag and drop video file into Photoshop. Now let's go into window option and select the timeline option. You can see your video timeline is here. Now simply play the video. Now at first placing the design into the Photoshop. Simply drag and drop your design here and select the right option and right click on it and select the rasterize layer. Now again right click on it and select the convert to smart object option. Adjust the timeline of smart object and rename the layer to smart object. And reduce the opacity of the smart object and press Ctrl T from keyboard. And right click on it, select the distort option. Adjust the 4 points of smart object, properly placing the smart object into your design area. Press Ctrl+ button from keyboard for zoom in the canvas and adjust all corners of smart object properly. Select the right option and increase the opacity 100% and press Ctrl- button from zoom out the canvas and select the smart object layer and change the layer mode normal to multiply. Now play the video again. Now you can see after placing the smart object, I can see that the design is falling on top of the people as they walk, which does not look right at all. To prevent that happening, we will use the blending mode. Earlier we worked with blend modes on any image. Today we will work with blend modes on video in the same way. Now select the video layer and press Ctrl J from keyboard for duplicate this layer. Drag the duplicate layer on top of the smart object layer and adjust the timeline. You can see the smart object is gone, is not visible because the video layer is the top of the smart object. Now simply look this area of video. Double click on the video layer. Open the blending mode and now adjust the blending option. Hold the Alt button and adjust the blending key. You can see this area. This is good. Then press OK. And now play the video and watch this area. It's looked perfectly good. I hope this tutorial helped you learn something new. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Mockup and hit the bell icon for more Photoshop mockup tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.